to the loo since Italy, and I'm gagging for it. And the ones that way are out of order, and there's 42 British coaches through there, and they all want my autograph.
Avez-vous le beer?
Oh. Oh, yeah.
The handbrake is on, and it's
I'd arrived back in Britain half an hour in front of Ginger and Algie, but they were gaining fast. Hamster, how are you?
We're on our train and we're doing quite nicely. We're 35 minutes from Waterloo. It is down to the wire again. Any minute now we'll see a headlight sweep past the window.
May the best man win.
The race actually starts... No.
Blackwall Tunnel. Is that good? I don't know, I just know time is tight. It's the longest I've been stationary in 13 hours.
We've got to run now, haven't we?
Yes. Where'd you get these night buses?
Right outside.
Can you pay them in truffles? Way out.
Come on.
Liverpool Street, Aldwych.
This is it, this is it. Excellent.
Hi.